Hello YouTube, some more allergy season, how to identify it and what to do. It is not uncommon for allergy symptoms to be attributed to a cold, food poisoning, indigestion, or fatigue because they overlap. From June to August, weeds and meadow grasses and cereals ripen. Trees blossom. But for some people, such a transformation of nature becomes torture. The reason is the high concentration of the allergen in the air. About every fifth Ukrainian suffers from allergies. How to understand that you have an allergy, not an infection, to make you feel better and determine the allergen, was told by the doctor of medical sciences, a pediatric allergist. Allergy symptoms. An allergy is an oversensitive reaction of the immune system to exposure to allergens to which a person normally does not react. In summer, it is a reaction to the pollen of weeds and meadow grasses, ripening cereals, seasonal flowering trees, fungal spores, insect bites, seasonal fruits and vegetables. Upon contact with an allergen in a child or adult, the following occurs. Runny nose, nasal congestion, sneezing, nasal discharge. Cough or sore throat. Dry mouth. Redness and itching in the eye area, swelling of the eyelids. Conjunctivitis. Difficulty breathing or shortness of breath. Skin itching, which may be accompanied by the appearance of rashes, urticaria, dermatitis. Swelling of the skin and mucous membranes. In severe reactions, dizziness, loss of consciousness, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, lowering blood pressure, suffocation. Sometimes these symptoms are accompanied by urticaria, swelling of the skin or mucous membranes. Why is this happening? Pollen microparticles, for example, Timothy grass, together with air, when inhaled, enter the mucous membranes of the respiratory tract and eyes. Further, they are studied by the immune system. And if the cells of the immune system detect Timothy pollen as an antigen foreign to the body, they begin to produce immunoglobulins, IgG, or T lymphocytes specific for this antigen. The production of IgG-specific T lymphocytes during the initial entry of allergens into the body occurs asymptomatically. This phase is called sensitization, or allergization. When an allergen, for example, the same Timothy pollen, re-enters, the cells of the human immune system will release biologically active substances, histamine, tryptase, various cytokines, etc. And the allergy will be manifested by the above symptoms. It is not uncommon for allergy symptoms to be attributed to a cold, food poisoning, indigestion, or fatigue because they overlap. With seasonal allergies, symptoms can accompany the patient throughout the season. Only the severity of the symptoms changes. For example, a runny nose sometimes decreases, then intensifies. Allergy symptoms can intensify after stress, because stress is an aggravating factor. Causes of allergies. Allergies are most likely to occur in children who have a genetic predisposition to develop the disease, when one or both parents suffer from allergies. If one of the parents has an allergy, the probability that an allergy will occur in a child is approximately 30 to 40%. If both parents, 60 to 70%. Allergy is a multifactorial disease. Its occurrence depends on the interaction of environmental factors, ecology, nutrition, lifestyle, medication, and genetic predisposition. Allergy treatment. To effectively treat allergies, it is important to identify the causative allergen. To do this, the allergist doctor has diagnostic tests. Skin. Provocative. Laboratory. Allergy symptoms are eliminated by antihistamines and hormonal drugs. But this is a temporary measure, since anti-allergic drugs do not solve the problem. If the allergy is not treated, it will progress and develop, for example, into bronchial asthma. To date, Allergen-Specific Immunotherapy, ASIT, is the only method of treating allergies, in which sensitivity to the allergen is gradually reduced. This happens due to the production of anti-allergic antibodies. This treatment lasts an average of 3 to 5 years. At the first initial stage of treatment in the acid regimen, the dose of the administered allergen preparation is gradually increased to the maximum allowable dose. At the second stage, the maximum allowable level of the allergen preparation is maintained at a stable level for several years. The level of the allergen is increased and maintained in two ways, by injection or by taking a spray, tablets sublingually according to the scheme at certain intervals. Self-help for allergies. If you suspect a pollen seasonal allergy, I advise: protect yourself or a child from contact with a plant that may be a suspected allergen. Do not walk under the open sun in dry and windy weather. Ventilate the apartment in the morning and evening, after rain. Spend most of the day indoors in windy dry weather. Drink enough clean water throughout the day. Every day wipe the floors and surfaces of household items with a damp cloth. Use an air purifier. After walking on the street, wash your face or wipe your face with a damp towel, take a shower and wash your hair to wash off microparticles of pollen, change clothes. Rinse your nose with saline. Dry things indoors, pollen from flowers and plants will settle on them outdoors. If you have allergy symptoms in the same period for 2 or more years in a row, I recommend making an appointment with an allergist. It is highly undesirable to take anti-allergic drugs on your own. Self-medication can exacerbate the problem. List of plants that cause allergies in summer: linden, pine, aspen, maple, jasmine, ash, bucharnic, foxtail, woolly bucharnic, wheat, barley, buckwheat, oats, wheatgrass, timothy, cocksfoot, fescue, quinoa, plantain, ryegrass, cyclocean, bluegrass, spurge, sunflower, chamomile, sagebrush, ambrosia, etc. Take care of yourself and seek medical help in a timely manner. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.